Robotics technology has revolutionized various activities, including cooking, table tennis, and golf, through mathematical science. In cooking, robots use algorithms for precision in ingredient measurement, temperature control, and timing, ensuring consistent, high-quality meals. Advanced machine learning and computer vision allow these robots to adapt to diverse recipes and even replicate intricate culinary techniques. In table tennis, robotic systems integrate real-time motion tracking and trajectory prediction using differential equations and kinematics, enabling swift responses and challenging gameplay against human opponents. These robots demonstrate the application of optimization and control theory for accurate paddle positioning and ball return strategies. For golf, robotics leverages mechanics and dynamic modeling to simulate precise swing motions and calculate ball trajectories, factoring in variables like wind, angle, and force. The use of AI enhances accuracy in putting and driving while aiding players in perfecting their techniques. Robotics in these domains highlights how mathematical principles power intelligent, adaptive, and engaging systems.